So here's my project for making a doorbell camera using the Raspberry Pi camera module. And here's our area where we're going to be recording. As you can see, it's the sidewalk, and we create a mask for our area of interest. And then we grayscale it and blur it so we can compare images. This code works by taking an image at time 1, and then we wait a second, and then we take another image. We apply that mask, blur it, black and white, and then compare the two images. And if there's a difference between the two, the detector will tell. As you can see here, our detector is 83,000 and our smart doorbell has detected motion. So then it begins recording, and as you can see, I'm in the video and it will be captured. So we convert this file to an H.264 and then convert to an MP4 and upload it to Dropbox. And then we run through our code and send an email from the Dropbox to my personal email account. As you can see, it said email sent. And then after some troubles with Gmail getting to download the file, this is in times 20, I eventually get the file downloaded. And as you can see, there's me outside testing to see if it works. So now I'm going to walk through how the code actually works. We start by creating a mask that I showed at the beginning of the video. We start with an array of zeros just for quicker processing time. And then we move on and create our actual trapezoid shape using these points. We fill it and then use a bitwise AND to eliminate everything that's not inside that trapezoid. And then we convert it to gray and then we blur it. So then we go into our while loop. We start our counter, which is our times through the loop. And this is just basically how many times the code has ran. We take our picture here using Raspi still, and then we print that we've captured our images. And then we take our images and we run them through the mask. So we have our grayed and blurred images. And then we compare our images here. So if the detector total, which is coming out of this code here, notices that it's above 30,000, we say that the smart doorbell has detected motion. And then after that, we use RaspiVid's time lapse to take a 15-second video. And then we convert it from H.264 to MP4. And then we upload it to Dropbox here. And then this is the code I have for sending the email from the Dropbox to my personal email. And then if our detector isn't above 30,000, we say that nothing is detected. So one of the problems we run into with the doorbell camera is when the sun goes behind a cloud and then comes back out. You'll see in the following video there's a capture, although there's no motion. Since we are comparing two images, and image 1 is cloudy and image 2 is sunny, our code notices a difference in the pixels and detects motion, even though there isn't any. A simple way to fix this would be to just exclude the ground from our region of interest, but this would significantly limit what we want to record. So we could use edge detection with CV2's Canny, and this would be an easy fix that would filter out some of these videos that have no motion in them.